Hello and good morning, everyone. Welcome back to today's market outlook with myself, Edmund. So, we're going to keep today's market outlook short and sweet. So, the events to look out for today on the economic calendar will be the 2 p.m. event from the UK. We will be having the claimant count change and also the unemployment rate. And towards the US markets tonight, we will be having the Empire State Manufacturing Index. Over the last 24 hours, the US dollar weakened against most of the major currencies. And back in the UK, Prime Minister Boris Johnson passed his first hurdle in Parliament after the House of Commons passed the Internal Markets Bill. And on Tuesday, it will go through to the next stage of parliamentary voting. Japanese Chief Cabinet Secretary Yoshihide Suga won a landslide victory in his ruling party leadership. And of course, Suga is virtually going to be the next Prime Minister of Japan, as the leadership, the Democratic Party, holds the majority in the lower house. Moving on to technical charts analysis, the US dollar yesterday weakened and of course on the daily charts, it is trading within a range of 92.14 and a resistance of 93.53. Based on the daily charts, there could still be more downward pressure or a bearish move on the US dollar. Bear in mind that this Thursday, the FOMC statement will be released on Thursday, 2 a.m. local Singapore time. And most investors and the markets are expecting the US Federal Reserve to be dovish on the interest rates. So moving on to the UK pound. The UK pound yesterday moved up and then came back down during the evening sessions. And currently, the UK pound has found support levels of about 1.2770, and it will be consolidating within the range of 1.2770 and a high of 1.2917 within the 150 pip range. Moving on to the euro dollar on the 1 hour on the daily charts is also trading within the support levels of 1.1742 and also a resistance of 1.1937. So if the US dollar continues to weaken, then we could expect the UK pound to rise, and of course we could expect the euro dollar to also test its resistance levels. Moving on to the gold prices. Gold prices also rose yesterday as expectations of the Federal Reserve to maintain interest rates low in order to push up inflation. So on the daily charts, we are looking also at a range over here. Okay, looking at a range over here. Support levels at 1912, 1912, and resistance levels at 2001 US dollars. Okay, this is the longer term. The shorter term resistance levels would be at just a tad above 1969 levels. So moving on to oil prices. Oil prices are not moving much, and we do not expect to see much activities on oil prices. So that about wraps up today's short and sweet market update. So I hope you guys have a good trading day ahead, and I'll see you again tomorrow for the next market updates. Thank you.